Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 4b. Identify terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Give the coefficient of y square. Let us find. There is first one is question number b. First we will write here this is serial number. Next we write the expression here. This is expression. Here it is expressions, right? And identify the term which contain y square. Term contain y square. Term contain y square. Term contain y square. And here you have to write the coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square. Here you see number 1 is the expression is 8 minus x y square. The term contain y square is minus x y square. And here you see that minus x is multiplied with y square. Therefore, the coefficient of y square is minus x. Right? Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is, here you see is, question number 2 is 5y square. 5y square plus 7x plus 7x. Term which contain y square is 5y square. And here in this case you see that y square is multiplied with 5. Therefore, the coefficient of y square is 5. Right? Now question number 3 you see. Question number 3 is 2 x square y minus 15 xy square plus 7 y square. Here there are two terms for y square, this one and this one, right? That is, one is minus 15 xy square, one is minus 15 xy square. Another one is 7y square. Therefore, the numerical coefficient of y square is minus 15x, because minus 15x is multiplied with this y square. So it will be minus 15x minus 15x. And here you see the y square is multiplied with 7 only. Therefore, the coefficient of y square is 7. Right? Coefficient of y square is 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.